100.
Just 100, okay. Well, Delia Smith, you know, the Queen, says that it's 110. So we can do a comparison of the textures at the end. So you had 2 eggs as well, didn't you?
Yeah, 2 eggs.
Yeah.
2 eggs and 300.
What are you going to put on them, Ella? Have you got things to put on them?
I don't know what I'm going to put on them. Probably Nutella and sugar and some strawberries.
So where are you up to? Are you mixing already?
Yeah.
She's all in there.
All right, fine. All right, I'll catch up. I've got 2 eggs. How much milk did you put in yours? You put milk in?
Yeah, I put milk in 300 millilitres.
100. Oh, okay. You see, I've got 200 millilitres of milk and then 75 millilitres of water.
Oh,
Isn't it? And then we're funny in this house. We have soya milk because we're complicated enough being vegetarian. We decided to be vegan as well. So that's really interesting, isn't it? So I've got more flour than you and I've got less liquid.
Yeah.
You've got to make sure there's absolutely no lumps in it. You definitely don't want any, any. You've got to whisk them all out because you'll get a mouthful of flour when you're eating your pancake, and that's not a good taste when you get that. I'm going to put mine back into my jug, I think, because then it's easier to pour.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, you can do that.
Pretty good for me.
So are you going to use butter or are you going to use oil in your
I think oil.
Oil, okay, me too. And are you going to give it will you use a bit of tissue to wipe it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'll do the same. We don't want to put it in until it's really, really, until it's hot, do we?
No.
Are you making thin pancakes or thick pancakes? What's your preference?
Probably thin, so I get more pancakes.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. More Nutella as well. Are you ready to go? Is yours hot?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. We'll have a competition to see who can make the best looking one. Right.
Do I put all of them?
No, just a little bit. So pour a little bit in just so it covers the bottom. Okay. Oh, that's all right. That'd be a thin. Or you might have a thick one now.
It's really hard to make it thin. I sort of put it in and I roll it around as I put it in, but you've got to be quick. Mine's ready.
Yes. Ready? That probably easier.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, no, put it on your. Oh, there. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Oh, should I hold it up?
It's not as good as yours.
Oh no, I'd say it was a better colour than mine. Mine's like, I know it's a bit dark actually in here, but I think yours looks more professional.